So guys, I want to tell you something in front of you, that if you consider English language is hard, difficult to study, so it is. I know that all Hindi medium of student know that English is so hard for Hindi medium of student. But if you consider it difficult to speak, understand and talk with anyone, so it is wrong. It depends on your thinking, that what you're thinking about English. So leave these things. I want to tell you, if you interested in English, and if you want to learn, I can't teach you like a professional, but I can teach you. And how to speak English I can teach you. But just because I'm a student of Megnath Kevat, he done graduation on English, that's why master teacher is. He was very good teacher. So I suggestion to you that if you want to learn English language, so you have focus it on, and you have to do for it, and do something for it, and think about it, that how to speak, and go in front of mirror and talk with yourself. And take like this mirror and talk to mirror. If you like anyone, any sentence, if you know, so you have to talk with in front of mirror. So it is I can edit it तो ये जो आवाज है बीच में, for any goal, for achieve any goal, three things is most important, like first consistency, second is determination, third is patience. If you have these three things, then you can easily achieve your goals for any kinds. And it is more than in those peoples who have declared crack the IAS, and who will become IAS officer. That's all. And fourth more important thing is practice. If you are doing practice every day, then you can easily achieve your goals, like other people, normal people who have done her graduation, post graduation, and he did the clear IAS officer, like Srishti Didi, Srishti Deshmukh, Jayan Deshmukh, Arjun Bhaiya. And you know that about Kanish Kataria, he have already cracked the IIT. So if you are doing always practicing, then you can easily achieve your goals. That's it. And I'll make video like that. And if you like this video, then press the bell icon, like it anything if you want, and if you don't want, then dislike the video.